In this media, you will learn about open delta configuration of transformers. Regarding the three single-phase transformers, even when one of the transformers fails to operate, the remaining two transformers can operate. They supply to the load, but with a reduced capacity. Such a connection is known as V-to-V connection or open delta connection. V-to-feed transformer is used whenever the three-phase load is less than its full load rating. Open delta connection is used when there is an anticipation of load increase in the future. In such cases, closing of open delta is required. Key point: it is to be noted that after the removal of one of the transformers, 2/3, that is 66.67%, of the load carried by three-winding transformer bank cannot be fed by the two-winding transformer. Only 57.7% of the load is carried by V-to-V bank. It can be proved as follows. Delta to delta capacity equals root 3 V sub L I sub L equals root 3 V sub L times root 3 I sub pH. Delta to delta capacity equals 3 V sub L I sub pH. V to V capacity equals root 3 V sub L I sub L equals root 3 V sub L I sub pH. Dividing equation 2 by equation 1, 2 over 1 equals V to V capacity over delta to delta capacity equals root 3 V sub L I sub pH over 3 V sub L I sub pH equals 1 over root 3 equals 0.557, roughly equivalent to 58%. Also, we can calculate the reduction in the rating as 66.67 minus 57.735 divided by 57.735 times 100 equals 15.476. Key point: each transformer can carry the overloading temporarily if provision is made to reduce the load. If the load is not reduced, it would lead to overheating and breakdown of the remaining two transformers. Limitations. Some of the limitations with V-to-V connection are given below. 1. The average power factor at which V-to-V bank operates is less than that with the load. 2. The power factor at which the two transformers in V-to-V bank operates is different except for balanced unity power factor load. 3. Even when there is perfectly balanced load, there may be unbalanced terminal voltages available on the secondary side. Consider a bank of two single-phase transformers that supply a balanced three-phase load with cosine phi as power factor. One of the transformers operate at a power factor of cosine of 30 minus phi, and other transformer operates at a power factor of cosine of 30 plus phi. Also, the two transformers are connected in V-to-V fashion. We can calculate the powers of two transformers as P1 equals kVA cosine of 30 minus phi, P2 equals kVA cosine of 30 plus phi. Thus, you have learnt about open delta configuration.